Hello traders, the title of the video is Get a simple proprietary swing trading method that kicks ass. Get a simple proprietary swing trading method that kicks ass. Alright, we are on a yearly chart. It's very simple proprietary swing trading method that I use myself, that I'm sharing with you for free. Alright. So we're going to go first to the yearly chart. The strategy is valid on all time frame, but I will prefer that trader use it either on the yearly chart, quarterly chart, or monthly chart. Yearly chart, quarterly chart, or monthly chart. So as you can see on this yearly chart, okay, you can see it's beautifully done. The price was going up. Here you see here, it was going up, gently. The size of the candlestick bar is quite a gentle bullish progression in this session here. Going to color it now into orange, all right? So that's a normal price progression. So then we see what we call a distortion. The price is going up vertical. All right, you can see here this is a vertical progression. It's no more because if we extend the orange line, the price deviates too fast away from the orange line. Okay, going up in a vertical channel. Now we know that a vertical channel in the financial market is abnormal. All right, it's abnormal. It doesn't mean that there is market manipulation. We can see a vertical price progression sometime in the strong third Elliott wave. All right, but we want to know how to trade it. All right, this is where I'm coming in, talking about proprietary swing trading method that kicks us. All right. So when we see any financial instrument, okay, that is going up in a normal way, which means in a diagonal price move. And then we see now abnormality taking place, price going up in a vertical move. We draw this rectangle, so you can see here, normal price progression, distortion, which is the vertical price progression. What you need to do is to measure, okay, this distance of the vertical move, all right? You see here? And project it at the beginning of the normal price progression. That's what I did here. All right. That's what I did here. All right. You don't have to worry too much about the accuracy, how you draw it. Just know that you have to draw it. Okay. My vertical line is not staying where I want it to stay. Okay. Just remember that I want it in fact to stay like this, but it's not allowing me to do that. So I will leave it where it's going now. So we measure this distance and then we project it at the beginning of the normal progression. And then again, we copy this normal progression and we put it up here again to make it parallel, okay, to the normal price progression. So we have, in fact, a kind of a triangle. Okay, it's not a normal triangle here. All right, you see that? Okay. So this is what we want to do. And then we want to draw the vertical line. We want to draw the diagonal connecting this point and this one here. Remember that I want this line in fact to stay like this, but it's not allowing me to do that. So I leave it here. Then we draw the diagonal, okay, which means we're connecting this point here. Oh, what's going on with this charting software today? Well, very interesting. Am I doing something wrong? Traders, am I doing something wrong? Okay, you get it now. I'm not going to dwell on it. So we connect this point and this one here, and that's the diagonal, okay? We're going to color it now into turquoise. So that's the turquoise diagonal there. Very auto. As you can see, after the distortion or the abnormal price action, the price has a high chance to pull back all the way to retest, okay, this line here. This is what I like to call the opposite diagonal. From here to here, from here to here. This is what I call the opposite diagonal. The normal diagonal is from here to here. So when we have a normal price progression followed by a distortion, the price has a high chance to pull back all the way here to retest what I call the opposite diagonal. But there are other key levels that we must watch. So you may say to me, Joe, you talked about this before. Why are you doing it? Because this stock that we are looking at is a Tesaro Incorporation. It's in the health sector. This is one component of Russell 2000. Okay, so this is an American stock that we are looking at now, and we are a yearly chart. So apart from the opposite diagonal, remember this is the opposite diagonal, that the price it has a high chance. If it's pulling back, sometimes you see it pull back sharply, and they will try to retest this level. But there are other key levels, all right, that we must watch. The first one is the horizontal line here that we draw to the intersection of this line and the diagonal. Okay, so you see the intersection point here, the vertical line and the diagonal. That line is very, very important for us. So what we need to do is to draw a line there, because as the price is pulling back, trying to retest the opposite diagonal, there are other support level, and one of them is right here for this stock. It's at $44.66. Apart from this support level, there is another support level, is the median line of the distortion. So you see the distortion from here down to here. The median line is somewhere near the level of $93.89. So those are the key levels that swing trader must watch. Sometimes stocks that are very bullish will pull back only to retest the median line, okay, and then they will start going up straight away like this. All right. Sometimes you may see some stock will pull back sharply, which means they will pull back sharply from the top all the way down. What's going on today? From the top all the way down to the next horizontal line. But remember that the first support level that we must watch is the median line of the distortion, which is at $93.89. So we see now if you pull back 1, 2, 3 and retest this level, that will constitute a bullish swing trading setup. All right. Or sometimes you may see it probably come down 1, 2, 3 to retest, okay, this horizontal line here. That will constitute a bullish trading setup. Okay. Some stock will continue to go down all the way to the opposite diagonal. So the point I'm making here, talking about get a simple proprietary swing trading method that kicks ass, is that if you are a swing trader, all right, and you see a financial instrument that was rising in a normal progression, and then you see a distortion to a certain degree when the price is in a vertical, vertical channel, you want to draw the line as I showed you at the beginning of this, and then draw the diagonal, and then you want to pay attention to the horizontal line. And if, for instance, the price pull back to this level here, okay, for instance 1, 2, 3 down to that level, that will constitute a bullish trading setup, and then we must implement a top-down trading method to trade it. All right. So for this stock that we are looking at, Tesaro Incorporation, we will wait until the year 2016 is closed. All right. At the beginning of 2017, we want to watch it carefully. So what we will say to traders is that priority to bear a signal below the high of this candlestick bar. All right, you see here, below it, below 14862, we will say to traders priority to bear a signal. Okay, because there is a high chance that we may see a kind of pullback trying to come back here. We say priority to bear a signal below 14862, up down to 93.89. Okay. Or if the price reaches 93.089, 93.89, okay, we want to see how the price came down, where the price structure. And if it finds support here, we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it again, okay, to buy it at $93.89. All right. This median line is very important key level, because it's a psychological price level. The bullish trader would like the price to stay above it. But then if he breaks below 93.89 and find a resistance, we will be looking for it to come near the level of $44.66. All right. Some stock may not touch the opposite diagonal, but they will only touch the median line. Some will come down all the way to this intersection point. All right. And we want to monitor how the price came down so we can make excellent decision around those key levels. First, the high, priority to bear signal below it. If it breaks above it and finds support, well, then we can buy it. But as it is now, if the year is closed, priority to bear signal below 14862. For swing trading and position trading purposes only. Price approaching $93.89. Be ready to secure your gain and manage the trade carefully. If you monitor the price reaction here, sometimes the price will come down and form a double bottom chart pattern before going back up. Or sometimes the price will break through it, retest it. Sometimes you may see something like this. The price may come down like this. Break below that median line. And then you will try to go a little bit above it again, all right, and then before coming down. All right, so those are the things you need to know as a swing trader, and so you may apply, find a high probability trading setup around those key levels using, this simple proprietary swing trading method that kicks us, all right? All right, if you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about get a simple proprietary swing trading method that kicks us. This trading method is based on the market principle that the bullish progression, a normal bullish progression, is a diagonal price action. Any vertical price action is a distortion. After a distortion, there is a high chance that we may see a correction. All right? And this is why we want to take advantage of those price action so we can make excellent swing trading decisions around those key levels. This is my own proprietary trading tool that I'm sharing with you here. You can also go to www.stochastic-magic.com and click on proprietary trading, and you may watch other videos relating to my proprietary trading method. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.